So we're talking about 1 through 10, right? So, Claire, répétez.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
oui, okay. So, what little trick do we have here with cat? We know that cat sounds like
A cat.
the animal cat if you say it fast, cat. And if you say it
Purring.
slow, quatre, it sounds like
A cat purring.
oui. Okay, and sank, uh-oh, blub, 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 the cat sank. The cat sank. With set, you don't hear
The P.
the P, it's set. With wheat, it sounds like wheat bread, right? Wheat. Neuf sounds like Nerf ball or Nerf gun, right? And six and dix rhyme. Okay? So, encore une fois, s'il te plaît, Claire.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Merci.